You are going to love the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.